Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Shraddha's Physics. This video is based on statistical mechanics as per the CBCS syllabus. We will see some more problems on probability. The question says 8 distinguishable particles are to be distributed in 2 compartments. The first compartment is divided into 4 cells and the second compartment is divided into 2 cells. So the first of all you see, so there are 2 compartments. Okay, the first and second, the first compartment is divided into 4 cells. So these are the 4 cells, and the second compartment is divided into 2 cells. And all the cells have equally priori probability. It means that every cell, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, these all cells have equal priori probability. Means every particles can lie, it can occupy in each of the cells. So the first is, we can see that there are 8 distinguishable particles, so we can write n equal to 8. Clear? So there are 2 compartments. First of all, there are 2 compartments. So the 2 compartment means here I am writing k equal to 2. The first compartment is divided into 4 cells. So 4 cells means here the degeneracy is 4. And the second compartment is divided into the 2 cells. So G2 is here 2. This much is clear. So now see, the first question is calculate the values of thermodynamic probabilities of the macrostate 8, 0 and 4, 4. So we will first see for the 8, 0. So for that case you have to first see there are 8 distinguishable particles. Then you have to remember, I have already told that for the distinguishable particles or the classical particles, the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics say the number of microstrati will be n factorial product over I equal to 1 to k gi power ni divided by ni factorial. So here I am writing this microstate will be equal to n factorial, the product over I equal to 1 to k gi power ni divided by ni factorial. So here you can see that this is n factorial. N factorial means 8 factorial. I equal to 1 to k. So here k equal to how much? 2. So here k equal to 2. So here I am writing g1 power n1. I am writing g1 power n1 divided by n1 factorial. Product over means into g2 power n2 divided by this ni means n2 factorial. This is the product over. Now this is 8 factorial into g1 here is 4. So this is 4. n1 means, so here you can see that. So we have to calculate the thermodynamical probabilities for the macrostate 8, 0. So here 8 is n1 and 0 is n2. So there are 8 particles in the first compartment. This total first compartment, and there will be no particles in the second compartment. So this is 4 power n1 is 8 divided by n1 factorial is 8 factorial into g2 is here 2 and n2 here is 0 divided by 0 factorial. n2 is 0 factorial. This much is clear. So here you can see that this will be equal to 8 factorial into 4 raised power 8 divided by 8 factorial into 2 raised power 0 is your 1. This is 1. 0 factorial is your 1. So this 1 by 1. So this is your 1. So 8 factorial get cancelled. This is simple 4 power 8. Clear? Or simply you have to solve this 4 raised power 8 and you have to write the answer. The second is you have to calculate the thermodynamical probabilities for 4, 4. So the second one is 4, 4. So here n1 is 4 and n2 is also 4. Similarly, you have to write the thermodynamical probabilities omega for 4, 4. That is also, you have to recall the formula, that is n factorial product over I equal to 1 to k gi power ni divided by Ni factorial. Okay. So simply there are 8 particles. So this is 8 factorial. Product over I equal to 1 to 2. Gi power Ni means Gi is Gi power Ni divided by this is Ni factorial. So again I am writing this 8 factorial. Product over means here you have to put the value of G1 power N1. So G1 means here what is G1? G1 is 4, G2 is 2. So simply I am writing directly G1 is your 4 power N1. N1 is your also 4 into G2 is your 2. So this is your 2 and N2 is your 4. So 2 raised power 4 divided by this is N1 factorial into N2 factorial. This is the product over symbol. So for the product over symbol, this is N1 factorial into for I equal to 2, this is N2 factorial. So N1 is 4 factorial, again N2 is 4 factorial. This much is clear. So how you can calculate? So let us see, this 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. I am writing 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into this is your 4 factorial into this is 4 power 4 into 2 raised power 4. This 4 factorial get cancelled. 3 into 2 that is 6 get cancelled. This 4 get cancelled with 8 that is 2. So after calculating this you can write the answer. I think this is clear. So when you see that this is the thermodynamical probability for distinguishable particle. So you have to write your omega will be equal to n factorial product over I equal to 1 to k Gi power Ni divided by Ni factorial. Similarly, if in the question it is given the quantum particle or this is indistinguishable in nature and integral spin, that is simply you can understand this is the Bose-Einstein statistics it will follow, and you have to write this formula, and this will give you total number of microstate, and this is the total number of microstate. Okay, so similarly if it is given that it will follow the half integral spin, and this is for indistinguishable particle. So these are your Bose-Einstein and your Fermat-Dirac, they will follow for the indistinguishable particle. So if it is integral spin, then you have to write the Bose-Einstein formula, and if it is the half integral spin, then you have to write the Fermat-Dirac statistics formula. So these are your basic formula. So you may solve some more questions on this probability. So this is all for today. So thank you.